fresh air. You know? When I'm zoning and stressing, I need some fresh air. Sometimes I take a long ride and enjoy the fresh air.
Hey, Granddad, I'm vlogging. You want to say what's up to the people? Granddad, you know, he old school. He like, I don't know what vlogging mean, you know?
Really don't. Really don't.
But he said, what's up, people? You know?
Nightlife Way.
Doing everything the Nightlife Way. King Nightlife back with another Nightlife vlog. My baby looking at me. So here we have it, you know. I'm getting to it. Getting these tail lights out of here. Going LED with it. LED on the tail lights, LED on the reverse lights. That's how we doing it. You know, so just got this. Just pop this cover off. You know, so it's just that simple. Go ahead and swap them out. You know, it's a little dirty in there, but we ain't gonna cry about that. We just gonna wipe that off, clean that before we screw that back down. We good to go. It's that simple. You know, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the next side off. Get this side panel off. Pop that next one off. Swap, swap. Done deal. Wham, bam. Thank you, Jade. You know? I'm catching up with y'all on this LED thing, you know? Showing y'all how we looking inside. Nighttime action. You know? Riding with my lovely wife. Doing everything the Nightlife way. Everything hitting nicely. See if we can see how it's looking. Super bright. You guys that look, side look. Just gotta love these old cars, you know? Just got to. Let's take a side photo here. But yeah, like I said, you know, these LEDs definitely looking good, you know? Looking. LED blinker. So we did all the lights LED. Reverse lights are LED. My running lights are LED. My turn signal LED. So now all we waiting for is the front lights. All we waiting for is the front lights here, you know? See if we could get the wife to throw it in reverse for us so we could check out the reverse lights. Reverse? Can you get over there or no? If you can't, don't worry about it. If you can't, don't worry about it. It's fine. But yeah, you know, just wanted to bring y'all this quick little vlog. Show y'all everything is all good. You know, it did work out for me. I installed all of them. I actually went out and had to get the parking lights, the park lights, running lights, whatever. I had to go out and get those at my local parts store. Everything else came with the order. See, it was buy one, get one free. On the turn signals were buy one, get one free. So I ended up getting the reverse lights free, if you want to say, buy one, get one free, whatever. And I went out and got the park lights. So just to complete everything on the back. Wife's gonna throw it in reverse right now. But those things are super bright. Super bright. Look at that. That's so awesome. That's so fucking dope. Wow. Yeah, I'm loving it. Super satisfied. Make sure you give us a follow. Like, comment, subscribe, we doing everything the Nightlife Way. So like I said, the only thing we got left is the front. LEDs on the front. The wife thinks these things are super bright already. I should just leave these like this. Seeing how they look like LEDs already. What y'all think? I don't know. Get down in the comment section, let me know what y'all think. I think she's right. These things are so bright like LEDs, but I want to get these, I want to just do them all LED around, all the way around, So yeah, y'all drop down in the comment section what y'all think. I think they look good like that, but I'm gonna go LED. Definitely. It's a major difference. Alright, so yeah, just wanted to catch up with y'all on this vlog. On this quick vlog. Show you how we doing everything the Nightlife Way. Keep stepping back for a picture here, huh? So I'm gonna catch up with y'all on the next one.
Nightlife Way. OG King.